Hi everybody, this is Scott Miller with River City Mortgage and welcome to our Market Minute for the week of March 9th, 2009. Again, remember this video is intended for real estate professionals and trusted financial advisors. If you're a consumer who's received this, it's because that person in your life decided that you would benefit from this information and has forwarded it on to you. We're going to suggest that you support them by remembering to refer your friends, family, and work associates. We also want to remind you that this is not a solicitation to lock into an interest rate, nor is it an interest rate quote or lock-in agreement. Thanks very much for tuning in again this week. Not a whole lot of information coming out this week, some data, but I want to go back to the previous weeks and our recommendations. All of our stuff has been cautiously floating and really paying attention to what it is you're trying to accomplish and when you're closing. I can't encourage you enough to have that relationship and remind you not to get too greedy. The rates dipped down. We kind of hit a floor. We haven't broken through that floor yet. About 4.875, 4 3/4, depending on credit score, how much equity you have in your home or putting down, that type of stuff. So we really want to encourage that you call us or call me at 763-509-7400 so we can advise you and your clients and really make the best financial decision. This week we do have some stuff coming out though. The Bernanke's going to speak this week. Anytime he talks, that can be a good market mover, depending on what he says. A lot of times, at least when Greenspan used to talk and address Congress, you would see some changes just in his words. So we're going to get some indicators from him. We have also got coming out this week, retail sales come out on Thursday, and then on Friday we're going to get some preliminary consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Right now we're going to be really watching and seeing what's happening with inflation. If there's any, all the spending is inflationary, so we got to make sure that that doesn't cause rates to tick upward a little bit to offset inflation. Again, what we're going to recommend for everyone is if you're closing in the near future, under 30 days from now, do not get greedy. Lock that interest rate in and be happy with that decision. If you're closing further than anything out past 30, let's say 45, 60 days, let's really take a look at the risk versus reward. So give us a call. Let's talk about it and help you out. I can also be reached via email. My address is smiller@rcmortgage.com, and make it a great week.